Kaptan, iyo, kumain ka na? Mr. Bank, hello. GRZ, hello. Same, kain ka na. Still bed. Sana all. Ako kailangan ko pang kumuha ng 16K. Gusto ko na din magpahinga. May pasok na kami ngayon, hindi lang ako pumasok. Makapapasok na ako sa August. Wang Sol. How are you, Wang Sol? Good boy. It's your day off today, Razor. RC. Shadow. I reckon you can do it. Still 3 days to go. Yeah, but I want to rest early. 5-6, hello. Hi, Joey. How are you, Joey? Junior, good morning. 9-5. Gusto kong makuha agad, parang. Yeah. Yeah, Jesus says, stay home. Yeah, you need to stay, you need to rest. Data Blitz. Fade out, hello. Eddie. Momoy, hello. Hi, Juju. Good morning. Macdo, hello. Yo, hello. Bright, lovely. Masha, good morning. Hi, music. Starbucks, good morning. WY, hello. Jerry, hello. Rachel, good morning. Kate Emo, hello. Thank you, 5-6. How are you doing, 5-6? Good morning. Kamusta? Hi, Kurt. Good morning. Okay lang. Wala kang work today. Bisdak. Yo, good morning. Lonely man, hello. Wala ka bang work ngayon? 5-6, wala. May WhatsApp ka ba? Usman. Albert, good morning. Jason, are you still there? Zishan. May WhatsApp ka, 5-6. Zishan, how are you? Bonito. Hi, Duke. Good morning. Back 1260, hello. Stone Cold, hello. Hi, Moko. Zishan, what are you doing? Jack New, good morning. Oo, pero hindi mo na. Gamitin mo. Hi, Gabriel. Bonito, kamusta na? Bitrot, hello. Damudo, good morning. Hello. I3J, hello. How are you, I3J? Hi, Dean. Guys, stop nitong what if para maka-3 star ako. Sige lang. Hi, Jose. Good morning, guys. Kyle, hello. Ichan, good morning. Paul Williams, good morning. BK, hello. Ruby, hi. Patrick, good morning. Love Mix, hello. Antonio, hi. Pulubi, good morning. Bonito, dyan muna akong makarenya. Hi, Dean. Guys, pa 3 star nyo na ako. Mr. Bank, hello. Pulubi, what are you doing? Sir June, good morning. Hi, Rana. Good morning. How are you, Sir June? Mr. King, hello. Mr. Cool. Hi, Lucifer. Joey, hello. Ichan. Monte Carlo, hello. Good morning, guys. Alfie de la Cruz, hello. Marites, hi. Good morning. Ichan, what are you doing? Bitrot, good morning. Hi, Chris, good morning.